Pardon the wind hitting my microphone. It is a beautiful day as I am here, back in Wisconsin Dells. Yeah, I know we got some wind going on here. I'm going to go into this hotel. It is a Comfort Inn. Now, typically, I do not do the national franchise type of hotels for reviews and to show you things, but they just did a massive renovation here. And I want to show you as an option, if you come to Wisconsin Dells, you might want to consider staying here. Oh yeah, I also got a chance for you to win an overnight stay here, absolutely free. Keep watching the video for details on how. Come on.
Subscribe to Maverick.
Hello, Stephanie. How are you?
I'm good.
You are the front desk manager,
Yes,
correct?
I am.
Well, thank you for inviting me out here. It looks like you guys have done quite the renovation on this hotel.
Yes, we have. Yeah.
I'm excited to see it.
Yep, it used to be the Quality Inn, and we converted it to a Comfort Inn, but it's still a Choice Hotel property.
So the quality is one below Comfort then,
Yes.
correct? So you're
Yep.
actually now a step
Yep.
higher. Well, let's go check out some of these rooms you have.
Okay. So then this one is our handicap room. It is the handicap with the walk-in shower.
Okay.
All new furniture.
Wow, it smells fresh in here.
Yes. Brand new curtain rods, curtains, everything.
You guys did the whole thing, huh?
Yes, we did.
I'm guessing fresh paint on the walls,
Yes.
new carpeting.
Yes, everything is brand new.
So it's basically, other than the shell of the building, it's a new hotel.
Yes.
Of course, all the USB ports and the plugins that people will need.
Yep.
And then you've got, looks like a reading light.
Yep. And just a regular lamp.
That's a nice feature.
Yeah. They're on both sides of the beds and the king size rooms. The double queen has it right in the middle, but there's two right in the middle of the double queen room.
How many rooms do you have here?
74.
Wow. Good size hotel then.
Yep.
That's a good size fridge.
And we got fridge, microwave, coffee pot.
It's a little bigger than the standard type of fridge you'll see in a hotel. I like the color scheme, a splash of yellow just to kind of give it some drama in
Yes.
here with the blue and the white. And of course, you guys are open all year long, correct?
Yep, 24/7.
Okay.
Holidays and everything.
You're always here.
Yes. Just shoe stool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is your ADA shower?
Yes.
Got that wood look to it, huh?
Yeah.
This is very nice too. So this is your a standard room with 2 beds.
Yes, it is.
Are these queens?
These are queens, yes.
Okay.
We have queen size, king size, and pull-out couches
Wow.
in some of the rooms.
Little of everything here.
Yes.
It just smells so fresh. That new construction and
Yes,
The,
definitely.
carpeting and the paint. Yeah, just that brand new fresh smell. I like the accent lighting you guys have above the headboard here too.
Yes.
It's a nice touch. So it looks like your rooms, they come with a nice desk area for someone
Yep.
that might have to do some quick business or something.
You can use that as a coffee table too.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And every room does have a coffee maker as well then.
Yep.
And again,
Coffee and tea.
tea as well. Good size fridge again. Is the front desk 24 hours?
Yes.
Okay. And then standard restroom over here. Now it looks like every room has a hair dryer as well.
Yes.
And then some closet space with a iron and an ironing board. Hey, I hope you're liking this video so far. Keep watching because I'm going to tell you how you can win an overnight stay right here at the Comfort Inn in Wisconsin Dells. I want to show you their jacuzzi room, show you some of the amenities like the indoor pool, and then I'm going to get back to you and tell you how you can win. Keep watching. We got the nice jacuzzi over here. How many of these type of suites do you have?
We have two of these.
Okay. And you're just pointing out off camera, I like this floor. You're not getting a rug soaking wet.
Yes.
So that's nice. Easy to clean up. Once again, we've got the same type of colors and furniture as we have seen in the other rooms.
So yeah, this is listed online as the King Jacuzzi Suite.
King Jacuzzi Suite. Oh, this is a little different setup. So you got the sink out here in this room.
No, there's a sink in the bathroom
Is there
also.
one in there as well?
Yep.
Okay, so this one's got a double sink
Yes.
set up. Oh, nice. And once again, we've got our shampoo, soap there. Nice and warm in here.
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice and clean. You guys do a great job keeping that clean. Oh, this is nice. So you can actually leave your room towels in your room. And how long is guest laundry open till?
It's 8 a.m. to 11 p.m.
So this is a standard king,
Yes.
and all the rooms have the accent lighting then?
Yep.
Nice. We've got the closet over there. Once again, the big fridge and microwave. There's the coffee maker, the big TV. They all have USB ports, plenty of space for your electronics there.
And the bathroom.
And the bathroom.
So we have 7 of these rooms. The king with the pull-out couches.
Very
on the
nice.
property.
And I do like this like ottoman that you were just showing me, how it just slides under the
Yep.
table. Give
Yep.
you a little extra space if you're not using it.
And you kick your feet up.
And relax. And they do have a handful of rooms here at this Comfort Inn that are adjoining rooms. So if you're coming with a bigger group and you would like an adjoining room, just go ahead and make that request. But it is first come, first serve. So as soon as you make that reservation, call the hotel directly and request those adjoining rooms. And don't forget that the Comfort Inn and Suites here in Wisconsin Dells is a part of the Choice Hotel family. So whether you stay at a Comfort Inn, a Country, a Sleep Inn, maybe a Quality Inn or a Clear Inn, or any of the other brands in the Choice Hotel family, you'll be able to rack up and use your points at this Choice Hotel. After qualifying purchases, of course, terms do apply. Just check out the Choice Hotel website.
Breakfast is from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Monday through Thursday. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday at 6 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Oh, nice. And it's like waffles, cereal.
Waffles, sausage patties, scrambled eggs. We have danishes, mini muffins, bagels, bread, yogurt, coffee, oatmeal.
And we were just talking about these cooling units here. These are going to get put where the vending machines are now?
No, they're gonna stay right
they will
here.
stay here, okay.
Yeah, and then we're gonna get, on Monday we get the shelves for like candy and chips and stuff like
I
that.
see. Probably go over there then?
Yep.
So
Yeah,
you'll have
not
like you said like your own little market or a little store then down here.
Once a freezer, I guess we're gonna be doing ice creams and
Okay.
stuff, and I think sandwiches and stuff like that. We do let people, if they request a late checkout, we do offer it. Up to 12 is free. After 12 o'clock we do charge like a late checkout fee,
Okay.
depending on what time they want to check out.
Got it.
We do charge an early check-in fee if they check in before 11. Before 3. So if they check in before noon or 1 o'clock,
Yeah.
we charge depending on what time you want to check in.
Got it. Well, it looks like you have quite the hotel here.
Yes, I
Very
like it.
nice. Very impressive. They
Yeah.
did a great job on the
Yes, they did.
renovation. Smells fresh here. Thank you so much for your time,
Yeah,
too,
you're
showing
welcome.
me around.
Yeah.
And it's easy to find. It's off exit 87, right off I-90-94
Yeah.
here in Wisconsin Dells. And again, best way to make a reservation is just log on to the Choice website, correct?
Yes, choicehotels.com.
All right. Thank you again.
Yeah, you're welcome.
It smells fresh. I mean, you've got fresh paint, you've got new furniture, you've got fresh carpeting. Everything in this hotel is really impressive and it's clean. So, How can you win an overnight stay here? Well, I am celebrating 10,000 subscribers. A big thank you for subscribing to the channel. And as part of my thank you, I'm going to do a series for the next several months where somebody can win a free overnight here in Wisconsin Dells. We're going to start off here at the Comfort Inn. So make sure you guys check them out if you'll be in Wisconsin Dells. Definitely consider them. And you could check it out absolutely free. This is what you have to do. Finish this sentence. Be creative. Have fun with it. Comfort Inn equals, let me give you a quick example. Comfort Inn equals the perfect Dells reset. Or Comfort Inn equals a great place to stay after a crazy day at the water parks. I think you get the idea. It doesn't have to be Wisconsin Dells oriented. Have fun with it. Keep it clean. And make sure you are saying Comfort Inn equals, and then you complete the sentence. And then on Saturday, May 2nd, I'll announce a winner right here on my YouTube channel. It can be you. So, Comfort Inn equals, well, you fill in the blank, you get the idea. And the final thing to qualify per my channel rules is you need to be subscribed to my channel. So make sure you are subscribed for your chance to win. And while you're at it, give this video a like. That'll help you out. Yeah, some brownie points. That's all I have in this video. For a lot more on Wisconsin Dells, my travels and attractions, please subscribe to the channel, especially if you would like to win your overnight stay here. You'll see me on the next one.
Subscribe to Maverick.